Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to unblur photos on Android 16. Let's begin. So first we want to go to our gallery and find a photo that is blurred. For me it's this one. As you can see, our main plant is in focus, however the background is blurred. For example, you can't really make out the logo here. So we can test out the new Android 16 feature for unblurring photos. We can go to Edit. It will load for a moment. And in the edit itself, we can go to Tools. And here we have AI-powered tools. We have portrait blur, so this way we can actually create fake blur, for example. But we are not here today, we are here for the unblur option. So let's click it, and oh, it did work. As you can see, it's not perfect. The plant is looking pretty okay. Our logo is, as you can see, pretty different. You can actually zoom in even further. So this is the AI recreation of our logo, and this is original. You can also lower it. So I'm guessing this way we will lower the blur. This is like the default one. So this is the 50-50 with AI and blur, and this is full AI, almost without a blur. I would say it's looking pretty good, especially considering that if you scroll out, it is looking pretty cool. This is the original, and this is the without blur. So yeah, I do think it's pretty cool. Let's hit done, let's hit save copy, and everything works. I'm pretty surprised because like AI-powered features are normally kinda wonky, but this one is pretty good. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.